I don't know who needs to hear this, but your hair does not have to be the texture of these V parts and these clip-ins if you do the no blend method. Just like I just did. So let's do it. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, but let me just go ahead and tell y'all this. Trust the process, all right? The curly hair that I'm going to be doing to achieve this no blend look will be a 3B, 3C type of texture. My hair is not that texture. So who's about to be stressing to try to blend their hair? Not me. This is why we do styles like this, so we can blend but still achieve a really cute look without having to worry about our hair. For the style that I am going for, I am going to be leaving a little bit of leave out near my V for my V part and about an inch on each side to achieve that style. Now, I'm going to let y'all know now. Underneath my wigs, a V-part wig, this is the most convenient way. If you still want to feel like it has some security, but you don't feel like braiding down your hair, this is great for you to try. So I've done this in some older videos, and I've actually seen other YouTubers do it as well. Plait you 2 plaits on each side of your leave out, and that's what you're going to use as anchor braids. Y'all, simple as 1, 2, 3. It took me less than 5 minutes to do this whole little foundation for this V-part wig. Once I do that, I like to go in with some type of leave-in. Today I'm using my Camille Rose Honey Nectar leave-in. If you know, you know. It smells so good. I'm not sure if it's honey. I'm pretty sure they have honey extract in it, but listen, use that on your hair. I particularly like to make sure it's on my ends, and I will also add that to my ends of my ponytail. So that's what I'm doing right here. Once I do that, y'all, I take a Denman brush or a brush and brush back my hair in that low ponytail. Make sure you're moving those plaits out the way so you're not brushing or combing those plaits, and then you just move them back down when it's time for you to get your ponytail. I like to take the extra step of braiding my ponytail in half and bobby pinning that up, and that gives me the most seamless and flat install with a low ponytail. I personally like to add my V part from the clip-in part first, and then I go along the sides and use the comb attachments. Look at that, y'all. Like, so seamless, so easy to do. And at this point, we are done with the actual installation of the V part. Once you do that, take you a little second, do your little dancey dance, because you're basically almost done with this whole style. At the beginning of this whole process, I did braid down my leave out just so it'll be out of the way. I don't need it, you know, like being clipped in or combed where I don't need to be combed. So this is where I'm going to go ahead and take that out, because this is the point that we're going to be getting ready to no blend but style our leave out. I know that V-part wigs are designed for you to have to use minimum leave out. I know. But y'all, when you're doing styles like this, that extra little inch that I left out will come in handy. Like, look at that. It looks so seamless because I was able to leave a little bit more. Don't forget about that back part. I like to take a little bit of the hair and make sure I have everything covered, tucked away, not trying to play. Ain't nobody seeing this V part today. Y'all see what I did there? But at this point, we're going to take some of the V-part wig hair with our leave out. That is the key. Make sure you're using some of the V-part wig hair with your hair. I like to go in with some braid gel. I didn't have my Eco. You can use what you use for you, but I wanted this to be a little more sleek. If you do not like your hair to be sleek, just go ahead with your natural texture. As long as you're able to braid it or flat twist it, you are good to go. As you're braiding down, a trick that I like to do, and I'm actually going to show y'all in a few clips, is to take some of that back hair and pull it down so you're covering the line of demarcation of the wig. Right here is what I mean. I'm using my fingers to guide that hair down, and that's what's covering the actual start of the V part from showing underneath my hair. I chose to plait all the way down, and once I got to the end, I literally just left like an inch or two not plaited, because when I pull it back, it's gonna nicely fall with the hair, and just, I don't know, I like that look. If you choose to plait it all the way down, just know that you'll have like that braided look in the back if you're pulling your hair back. But if you want it to fall seamlessly, leave a little bit of the hair like I did, not braided in your plait. I know I talked through this whole tutorial, but y'all, that is it. I repeated the same process on the other side, and this is the results that I got. This look can be achieved with any V part, curly, wavy, body wave, do what you do for you, but this is amazing with curly hair, and I definitely think it's something you should try too. So subscribe for more relatable content, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.